Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner. These two robotic vacuums are packed with features to keep your home clean and tidy. So let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in this ultimate showdown. Let's start with the price. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is priced at $199, while the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner also comes in at $199. It's a tie in this category. When it comes to design, both robot vacuums have some impressive features. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a small body design, with an 11-inch diameter and a height of 2.99 inches. This allows it to easily clean under or around furniture for a thorough cleaning. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner is super slim, with a body design of just 3 inches. This allows it to effortlessly glide under low furniture, reaching more areas. It's a tough call, but we'll give the point to the AIRROBO for its slim design. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner features a unique brushless suction port, powered by a strong digital motor. This ensures that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily without getting tangled. Additionally, it offers 6 different cleaning modes including Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, Zigzag Clean, Scheduled Clean, and Manual Clean. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful suction of 2,800 pascals, picking up more debris and pet hair on all surfaces. It also utilizes scraper technology to deep clean fine dust in tile gaps. Both vacuums perform exceptionally well, but we'll give the point to the AIRROBO for its powerful suction. Smart features are always a bonus when it comes to robot vacuums. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a smart app and voice control functionality. You can schedule cleaning, adjust suction and direction, and even control it with voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner also comes with a smart app control, allowing you to set up cleaning schedules, change cleaning modes, and control suction levels and cleaning direction. It even comes with a separate remote control for those times when you don't have a network connection. It's a tie in this category as both vacuums offer great smart features. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner utilizes lithium iron phosphate batteries, providing up to 120 minutes of runtime in low suction mode. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner can run for up to 120 minutes in quiet mode on a single charge. Both vacuums have impressive battery life, so it's another tie in this category. Based on online reviews, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is praised for its affordability and convenience. Reviewers mention that it works well in small spaces and is worth the price. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner is highly recommended for its strong suction and time-saving capabilities. Reviewers appreciate its performance on various surfaces and its ability to collect pet hair. Overall, both vacuums have positive reviews, with the Lefant being praised for its value and the AIRROBO for its cleaning power. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner in various categories. While both vacuums have their strengths, it's clear that the AIRROBO stands out with its powerful suction and slim design. However, the Lefant offers unique features like brushless suction and voice control. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference and the specific needs of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until then, stay smart and happy shopping.